What if you had a personal financial advisor available 24 hours a day, who never charges a fee, never judges your starting point, and answers every question with patience and detail? That's AI. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to plan my retirement. Let me be honest. When I started this journey, I didn't know where to begin. Too many numbers, too many options, too much conflicting advice online. Then I started using AI, not to replace professional advice, but to help me ask better questions, understand complex concepts, and build a clearer picture of where I stand financially. It changed everything. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use it effectively. The first way I use AI, understanding financial concepts. You can ask it anything. Explain the 4% rule in simple terms. What's the difference between SCHD and VYM? How does sequence of returns risk affect me if I retire at 50? And it explains everything, clearly, patiently, without judgment. No more spending hours reading confusing financial articles. Just ask and get a clear answer tailored to your specific situation. Think of it as having a knowledgeable friend who happens to understand finance deeply and is always available. The second way, calculating your numbers. Most people avoid this because the math feels overwhelming. AI makes it simple. You can say, I'm 49 years old, I have $50,000 saved. I can invest $2,000 per month. I want to retire at 55. My monthly expenses will be $1,500. Can I make it? And it will walk you through the full calculation, show you the gap, suggest adjustments, and help you build a realistic plan. No spreadsheet required, no financial degree needed, just a conversation. The third way, building your strategy. Once you know your numbers, AI helps you think through the options. Should you focus on dividend ETFs or total return? How should you allocate between VT, SCHD, and QQQ? What's the right balance between growth and income given your timeline? You can have a genuine strategic conversation, exploring different scenarios, stress testing your assumptions, and refining your approach until it feels right for your situation. It's like having a strategy session with a knowledgeable advisor, but on your schedule, at your pace, completely free. The fourth way, staying accountable. One of the hardest parts of any long-term financial plan is consistency. I use AI to do regular check-ins. Once a month, I share my portfolio update, my contributions, any changes in my situation, and ask for an honest assessment. Is my plan still on track? Do I need to adjust anything? Am I making any mistakes I don't see? Having that external perspective, even from an AI, helps me stay focused and disciplined. Now, the honest part. AI has real limitations. It doesn't know your complete financial picture unless you tell it. It can make mistakes, especially with specific tax rules or the latest market regulations. And it is not a licensed financial advisor. For major decisions, always verify with a professional. Use AI as a thinking partner, not as your only source of truth. It's a powerful tool, but it works best when you use it wisely. We are living in an extraordinary time. The tools that were once available only to the wealthy, professional-grade financial guidance, are now accessible to everyone. For free. Use them. If you want to start right now, open any AI assistant, tell it your age, your savings, your retirement goal, and ask it what you should do next. The answer might surprise you. Subscribe for more late starter strategies, and I'll see you next week.